One discovery changed everything. Not a weapon, not a city, not a king. For millions of years, humans lived at the mercy of nature. Cold nights, raw food, darkness filled with predators. When the sun disappeared, fear took over. Without fire, survival was limited by daylight. At first, fire was not controlled. It came from lightning, from burning forests, from chance. Early humans did not create fire. They borrowed it. And when they did, they protected it like life itself. Over time, humans learned something revolutionary. Fire could be kept. Fire could be moved. Fire could be made. This was not just a skill, it was the birth of control. For the first time, humans shaped nature instead of reacting to it. Cooked food changed everything. It became easier to digest, provided more energy, saved time. That energy fed a growing brain. Fire
You will not
didn't
pass
just
this
warm the
place.
body.
Back
It
away
fueled
from the light.
intelligence. Civilization began in the stomach before it began in cities. Fire pushed predators away. Darkness was no longer absolute. Night
The mountain
became
pass.
survivable.
Here,
Around
they are
fire,
weak.
humans gathered.
We strike
spoke,
at dawn.
planned. Fire became the first technology that brought people together. Stories were told by
Impressive.
firelight. Knowledge was
And the
passed
beast
through
roared, a
flames.
sound that shook
Fire
the earth.
marked a territory.
I knew then I had to fight
Fire
to
created
protect our
ritual.
home.
Fire became
The
sacred.
great beast charged, its
This
claws reaching
was the
for
beginning
me.
of culture. Fire gave humans
I stood
power.
firm.
The hunter
Power
waits in the dark,
Always
hungry
comes
and fierce.
with a cost.
Her teeth are sharp,
It
her
separated
eyes
us
glow like
from
embers.
nature and placed us above it.
A wolf! It's dancing!
The world was never the same again.
The knowledge
Fire
we seek is not
gave
found
us
in the
control.
stone or the fire,
The
but
next
in the
step
tales we pass
Gave
between
us
us.
domination. In the next chapter, we explore how humans turned intelligence
The time
into
is
civilization.
upon us.
This is how the world began to
Guard
change.
this flame. Chitter,
One
chitter.
flame at a time.
Earth Spirit guide us, protect our land.
Screech!
Fire, take this gift. Strength to us.
Kalen vitra, tora ankamoro, tasnala veris.
The stone must be hot. Hotter. Now. Perfect.
Keep it steady, Rocco. Move slowly, don't rush.
Soft chittering sound.
Yes, just like that. Now take it. Carefully.
The path is hidden, but I shall find it. Keep back, beast. The flame will consume you.
Keep close.
The path is ahead.
We go through the thorns. Now, watch the branches.
the controlled burn. Perfect. I will rebuild. The valley is ours. Prepare for the reckoning.
This is our land. Do not forget.
This land is mine. The valley will be ours. Nothing will stand in our way. Prepare the armies. Let the conquest begin. You shouldn't do this, Koda. This power is too dangerous.
It's our destiny, Mika. Join me, or stand in my way.
Almost there. Soon, be soon. Feel the edge.
Let's see if this works. Heat will make it strong. Interesting. You did it, Roko! Chirp, trill. I knew you could.
Come on, Roko, try again. Grah. That's it, boy. Let's go.
See? Now fold it. Ah, yes. And again, stronger. Exactly. Good.
The time passes. We build. We provide.
The work is good. Look at what we have made.
Grah. You are not what I seek this night. Pass on. We must stay focused. Roko! Roko! The signs are clear. We must leave now.
It's packed.
Let's go. The ritual is complete. Darkness shall fall.
Look down there! It's beautiful!
The sun blinds. Follow me. We are ready, leader. Keep close, Mika. We're almost there, Koda.
Keep watch!
The scent is stronger here.
Yes!
Try, Chiach. Watch. The time has come.
The plane awaits.
They grow bolder every twilight. Tonight, they will know fear. Scream! By the old blood, this is our home now. We settle here.
Koda holds the bone tight.
They stand with us now for the battle ahead.
Kodal's power surges.
The flames reveal a city of steel and light, reaching to the stars.
I see it now. My path is set, irreversible.
I will take.